Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to back up your memory on Snapchat for free. So recently Snapchat just updated their app and we are being asked to pay for storage. Yeah, so you have to pay for storage. Well, I found out a way you can actually do that for free. So if you can see on the update right here, you see a new memory storage system with a free 5G limit that requires a paid subscription for more new features for creators to track content performance, enhance AI lenses and generative AI stickers, and group stakes for foster collective engagement in chats. So they updated their app and you have to pay for stuffs now on Snapchat. But I'm going to show you a very simple and free way to actually back up your Snapchat. Yeah, so let's try it out. Go to your Snapchat right here and you click above your screen. You can see your profile, so you just click on your profile right here and you click right here on settings. You can see right here you have to pay for stuffs. You can see above my screen you have to pay. So you just scroll down and you click on my data. Click on my data and allow it to load. It's loading. Yeah, so the first thing you're going to do, you can see export your memories, chats, media and shared stories. So what you need to do is just turn it on just like this, and you can see the packet size you have is just limited. So what you're going to do next is you scroll up and you click on next right here, and as you can see you can just select what you're going to actually do is just for you to back up, to actually export all your photos from your Snapchat to your gallery. So you just click on submit like this. So it's going to be submitted to your Gmail and all your photos and videos are going to be transferred to your gallery, so you can have more space on your Snapchat rather than having to pay for a space. So you can just clear up the ones you have backed up already in your gallery. So this is very simple and free. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.